Once upon a time, in a far-off forest, lived a friendly giant named Hagrid. He was not like other giants, for he had a heart full of kindness and a love for magic. Hagrid had a special garden, a magical one, where he grew all sorts of enchanting plants. He loved to share his magical seeds with the children who visited him, hoping they would one day grow their own magical plants. One sunny day, Hagrid noticed that a small seed he had given to a little girl named Emily was not growing. He felt worried and decided to help her. He gathered all the magical seeds from his garden and placed them next to Emily's seed. He whispered to them, "Grow, grow, grow, and help Emily's seed too." The next morning, Emily was amazed to see that all the seeds had sprouted into beautiful plants. But Emily's seed was still small and weak. Hagrid, with his big heart, decided to take care of Emily's seed himself. He watered it every day, singing songs of magic and growth. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Finally, one sunny afternoon, Emily's seed grew into a magnificent flower. It was the most beautiful flower Hagrid had ever seen. Emily was overjoyed. She thanked Hagrid for his help and promised to share her magical flower with others. Hagrid smiled, knowing that he had helped a little girl create something truly magical. From that day forward, Hagrid and Emily spent their days together in the magical garden, planting seeds, sharing stories, and growing friendship. And the forest was filled with even more magic than before. The end.